Hello everyone, welcome to my video on connecting PS2 and USB keyboards to desktop PC. Let us see first of all the various types of keyboards. There are two types of keyboards. The first is PS2 keyboard. This PS2 keyboard is having this violet color connector known as PS2 connector. While second type of keyboard is USB type keyboard, and this USB keyboard is having USB type of connector to connect it to PC. So like this, these both keyboards are same for operations, only they differ in the way of connections to the PC. The PS2 keyboard is connected to PC through PS2 connector, while USB keyboard is connected to PC through or via USB connector. So this is how the PS2 keyboard is connected to the PS2 port of PC. So on the rear panel of PC, there are two ports on the upper side of your rear panel. One is violet color port, circular port, which is known as PS2 port for keyboard, and second is green port, which is used for connecting mouse. So here this PS2 connector, you have to connect to this particular PS2 port on the rear side of your PC. Similarly, the USB keyboard can be connected to the USB port of the PC. So these USB ports are available on both sides of PC, that is rear panel as well as front panel. You can use any one of USB port available, because nowadays there are 4 to 6 USB ports available on PC. So this USB connector you have to insert into this any one of the USB ports. Now let us see how to connect actually these two types of keyboards to PC. These are two types of keyboards. This is first, you can see the connectors are different. This violet color pin, this is a connector, that is PS2 connector, and this is USB connector. You can see the difference here easily. So you can say that this is PS2 type keyboard and this is USB type keyboard. Now let us connect this. Now look at this connector, PS2 connector. There are pins inside this connector, around circular pins. And if you see this connector, so this is circular, but there is one flat notch here. So whenever you are inserting, you should keep your thumb on this flat notch and then you have to insert. So I will keep this thumb and like this. Now let us go to the rear panel of PC. You can see here there are two PS2 ports. This is the violet color port and another is the green color port. This violet color port is used for keyboard, while this green color port is used for mouse. I will take this PS2 connector of keyboard, will keep thumb on this flat surface and keep your thumb towards, that is to the right side, and then insert gently. So now your PS2 keyboard connector is inserted into PS2 port. This is now another keyboard which is having USB connector, and this USB connector you can connect to any USB port to your PC on the rear side or on the front side. So for this PC there are 4 USB ports. You can use any one. Here you can see this white color strip is there, and below that there is one notch, and on the port side you can see this black color strip, and besides that there is a hollow slot. So you have to insert this white color strip into that empty slots, then it will be correctly inserted. See here, I am inserting here now into this like this, and you can insert in another port also, like this. Now if you insert in reverse direction, opposite direction, it will not be inserted. See, it is not inserting because this white color strip and this port side black color strip is colliding each other. So that should be opposite, and then it will be inserted. So in this way, these are the two keyboards that are PS2, which is connected to PS2 port, and USB keyboard, which is connected to USB port. Thank you for watching my video on connecting two types of keyboards to PC.